Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mahmood Sadir, and you are watching Introduction of Biology with Mahmood Sadir. We have started chapter number 4, in which we study cell and organelles. We are completing the biological course slowly because I don't want you to take burden. So today first we learn about the endoplasmic reticulum. So let's start. We study that what is endoplasmic reticulum. In book it is defined as endoplasmic reticulum is a network of interconnected channels that extends from the cell membrane to nuclear envelope. Endoplasmic reticulum is interconnected as a network. If we take example of electric poles, they are interconnected with wires and form a network. Same as the endoplasmic reticulum is interconnected and form a network. Then there is one question that where they are present. They are present between the cell membrane and the nuclear envelope. In book definition, the word used that extend from cell membrane to nuclear envelope. It's mean that the endoplasmic reticulum is expand from the cell membrane to the nuclear envelope के एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम सेल मेम्ब्रेन और न्यूक्लियर एनवेलप के दरमियान फैला हुआ है. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. First is rough endoplasmic reticulum. First we study about the endoplasmic reticulum. Its name is telling that the surface is rough. Its reason is that the numerous ribosomes are attached to it. Now there is a question that what is ribosomes. In my previous lectures, I tell in detail about the ribosome. The function of ribosome is of protein synthesis. Due to the presence of ribosomes in RER, its function is also of protein synthesis. Now the second type of यानी endoplasmic reticulum is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum lacks ribosomes. It means that the ribosomes are not present in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So the function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum is metabolism of lipid. There is a question that what is metabolism. Metabolism means all the chemical reaction take place in our body. The second function of SER means smooth endoplasmic reticulum is transport the material from one part of cell to the other part. And the third function of SER is detoxify the harmful chemical that have entered. This is the diagram of endoplasmic reticulum, in which we see that the dot on the RER is the ribosomes. These dots, these dots are ribosomes, and the other things that are given we study in next lecture about these things. But in the diagram, there is also things that we already study. For example, we study about the nuclear envelopes. In next lecture, we study the other things like crystini and tubules, etc. So this is the diagram of endoplasmic reticulum. These are rough endoplasmic reticulum, these are smooth endoplasmic reticulum. We've studied nucleus, nuclear envelope. This is the endoplasmic reticulum. In smooth endoplasmic reticulum there is no ribosomes, lack ribosomes. But in smooth rough endoplasmic reticulum there is ribosomes. So that's all. We study about endoplasmic reticulum in detail. So if you have any query about this topic, tell me on comment. If you like my video, please like it. And once again, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can get my other lectures. We again meet on my next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.